Assalamualaikum and hello everyone. Alright, today we're gonna cook some special menu. What we got here is tuna. Look at that.
Masya Allah. Be careful, be careful. Be careful, the hospital.
As you can see, my friend went fishing in Oman. They catch some tuna and they give it to me. So today we have some special menu in UAE called tuna Briyani. It's quite famous here, but normally they use the canned tuna. So now I decided to make this tuna, the fresh one. What's the ingredients? So the ingredients is of course the fresh tuna. We have fresh tuna, and for the vegetables we have onions, we have garlics, we have coriander, tomatoes, green chilies. Here we have fried onions, cinnamon sticks, cardamom, coriander seeds, some masala, cumin, turmeric, salts. And we have saffron, and of course we have tea rice. Not to forget, we use olive oil. Okay, let's cook. Okay, we prepare this. And for the tuna, we cut into big cube. It's like that size. It's really fresh, guys. Now the spices. Coriander. Okay, first of all, olive oil, cinnamon stick, cardamom. I normally put salt first, onion, then after the onion and garlic is already brown, put in tomatoes, green chilies. Next, we put the spices, turmeric, cumin, and coriander. Nice tuna. Now we put the tuna. Lemon, coriander. Okay, just cook it for about 3-4 minutes and then turn it off. Now it's already cooked. Close the lid, pull the sides. Boil some water for the rice. Okay, now the water is boiling. cinnamon, cardamom, salt, some coriander leaf, and the rice. This one I soak for about 10 minutes. Okay, we cook about 8 to 10 minutes. Okay, now it's already 8 minutes. To toast the rice. I'm gonna pour this on the sink. In the same pot, put a bit of oil. Alright, make sure you put in very small fire, okay? For half. And then put the tuna. And now this saffron. More rice. Finish this. Okay. So last but not least, the fried onion. Cover the lids. Cook for another 15 to 20 minutes. Okay, when you see the smoke slowly come out, it's already cooked. And we look at it. Woo. Let's try it. Right, I'm gonna try this. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Ooh, tastes really good.